Hello everyone, I'm Aisling again, a member of the AEC Digital Transformation team, and today I'm going to show you one of the new features available in the new release of AutoCAD 2021. One of the new features includes enhancements to revision clouds. When a revision cloud is selected, the Properties palette now displays Rev Cloud as the object type instead of polyline. You can also change the arc chord length of the revision cloud from the miscellaneous section of the Properties palette, or from the command window with the new Rev Cloud Properties command. Use the new Rev Cloud Arc Variant System variable to control whether the chord lengths of the arcs vary in length or are uniform when inserted. Thanks for watching. Click to subscribe to be kept up to date with future videos. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter.